Hello, future coders. Variables in Python act as containers to store data. They allow us to assign values to name. There can be three types of variables: string, integer, and float. A string variable holds text such as name, sentences, or any sequence of characters. Let's see an example. In this case, we are storing the value John in variable name. Similarly, an integer variable stores whole number like counts or ages. Here is one example. In this case, we assign the value 25 to the variable age. Float variable hold decimal numbers such as measurements or prices. Look at the example. In this case, we store value 9.5 of the price inside the variable price. You can even combine variable types in Python. Here we combine a string with an integer variable using addition. After this, we have taken a string function to convert integer into string. Print name. Here you can see the result. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Aadharshila Coding Classes.